So this is a guidebook. So this technique, idea for man control, ekagrata, chitta rita nirodita. In Patanjali he says we have to control the chitta vritti, manovritti. What is that? Chitta rita. You know that? There's one shloka. Chitta rita niroda. We have to control them. You know that? Manas chitta viroda. We have to control the thoughts. So there are many techniques. You can see very nice things. You can chant japa. You translate. Give an example. He has a diksha guru. So you chant japa and you meditate. Because japa means mala shabda brahman shunye, nam shunye, Hare Krishna. And mantra must be pronounced correctly. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Ram. This is not the mantra. Hare Ram, Hare Ram. This is not Mahamantra. Mahamantra nahi. It's cut. 32 syllables.
32 syllables होने चाहिए उसमें. हरे कृष्ण.
Akshar.
32 अक्षर होने चाहिए.
32 akshar. Hare, Hare, Krishna, 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 Krishna. Hare Rama, Ma. Not Ma, Ma. But not Hare Rama. Because, there's some very famous sadhus chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram. And people hear, this sadhu is a Paramparush, Mukta Jeev, Siddha Mahatma. But so he chants this way, that way, okay, fine. But Anusaran, Anukaran. Boliye. He knows the difference. Boliye. Baat karo. He knows the difference. Anusaran means to follow. Anugata. And Anukaran means imitation.